Honestly, this stand is pretty handy and I'll show you why. Opening up the box here, you can see that you do have to assemble it, but it's super easy. They give you everything you need, the instructions, a screwdriver, 4 screws, and 5 wooden parts, as well as some non-slip feet for the bottom, and the screwdriver is reversible. Some of the wooden pieces were thinner and very light, but they are real wood. I also noticed mine had some blemishes, some scratches. This is how to set it up. You just slot things in. There's a few screws here and there. Super easy to push everything in. This shelf I did not put in with the screws because I was giving it as a gift. The color of this shelf is darker with some red tones. As I did say, I saw some blemishes, but it's very sturdy when you put it together. One feature I liked was that there was a channel cut out underneath that you could put a charger through so that you can dock your phone and plug it in. It has a spot for watches. You can place your sunglasses, pins, rings. Your wallet can go behind where the phone is at. Once you attach this shelf, you can have more things up there. Overall, I think this is an awesome find, and it'll keep all your things in one place so you won't lose them.